Hey guys, so today I have swatches of the winter slash holiday 2018 collection from Zero Lacquer. Zero is my own brand that I do make and ship myself, full disclosure. 5 polishes here all together for the holiday collection. These are going to be releasing on November 30th. Gotta double check the date. November 30th at 11 a.m. Eastern time. And they will be regularly restocked if they sell out, so don't worry about that. So in addition to the 5 new colors, I am also re-releasing, let's get the mental list going, Sugar Cookie, Santa Suit, Cat in the Christmas Tree, Golden Lights, Stocking Stuffer, which is a Christmassy holiday glitter topper that I released my first year in business that I have not brought back, but I really wanted a topper this year and I still think that's better than anything new I could come up with. So I'm re-releasing Stocking Stuffer as well. And then I wasn't going to re-release this specific color, but I've had a surprising number of emails throughout the course of the year asking whether it's coming back, so Clear Cold Night is going to be re-released as well. So 5 new polishes, and I will get into the swatches. So the first polish is called Icicle, and this is a very creamy, icy blue holographic. So this one is a little bit sheer on that first coat. Now the holographic that's in this is not one of those like super bright, blinding holographics. I made the base a little bit creamier in this, so the holographic is a little bit more subtle. So this one is a little bit sheer on that first coat. The holographic that's in here is not one of those super blinding, super intense holographics. I made the base a little bit creamier so the holographic would be a bit more subtle. So think like Ghost, S'more Hollow, Corn Maze, that kind of creamier base. So this one does cover completely for me in 2 coats. And you should wear a top coat anyway, but this does dry a little bit dull, so you will want it to add the shine. So that is 2 coats of Icicle. The next polish is Ornament, and this is, I think, anyway, I'm not like 100% on that name, but I'm filming right now, so here we go. This is a pinky red. This has holographic micro flakes in it, as well as little tiny gold flakes that give it a gold shimmer. So this one is a bit sheer on that first coat. It is in a jelly base. With this, I wanted something that would look really nice inside and outside, so the holographic flakes are going to sparkle the best in sunlight, but you also don't get a ton of sunlight in the winter. So I wanted that gold shimmer that would stand out in indoor lights as well. So this one does cover completely for me in 2 coats. And that second coat does deepen the color quite a bit as well. And once the color is deeper, I feel like that gold shimmer stands out a little bit better. I just love gold shimmer. Also, these are little tiny flakes, so they're not going to be textured and they're not going to be difficult to remove. You won't have to scrub them off the nail. So that is 2 coats of Ornament. The next polish is called Toyland, and this is a white-based rainbow Korres. So this one is a bit sheer on that first coat. I'm trying to even it out here a little bit. I usually do 3 coats for Korres. I did 3 coats for the picture on this one as well. It's kind of a personal preference thing. I think they look pretty decent in 2, but I just prefer the look in 3 coats. And this does have glitter in it, so it will be a little bit textured, and you might have to scrub some of those glitters off the nail when you remove it. So this one does start to build up in 2 coats. You get a lot more glitter here with the second coat as well. It looks pretty good here. And I almost left my swatch pictures at 2 coats for this polish as well, but I do feel like it got just a little bit more sheer as it dried, and I, like I said before, always prefer these in 3 coats, but I think you could probably get away with 2 if you wanted to. Okay, so this one does cover completely in 3 coats. Looking at my nails, I really think the only nail that really needed a 3rd coat was my pointer finger. I always struggle with these because I feel like the glitter looks so much better on 2 coats, but the base looks so much better on 3, so I can never decide what to do. And this is something I'm going to do here that you can easily do with Korres. I don't have a ton of glitter poking through in this corner, so I'm just going to put some there. And again, you will want top coat to smooth this one out. So that is 3 coats of Toyland. The next polish is called Rudolph, and this is a red jelly base with gold shimmer, multi-chrome flakies, and holographic flakies. So this one is also a bit sheer on that first coat. It is a jelly base. And apparently this is the year of gold shimmer for me because I feel like I've put it in everything. And because everything in here are flakes, you won't have any texture from any glitter or anything. And you won't have to scrub any of those elements off the nail. So this one does cover completely for me in 2 coats, but I do think if you have longer nails or a whiter nail line, you might end up needing 3, since it is in a jelly base. And that base also does get deeper with the second coat. So that is 2 coats of Rudolph. And the last polish is called Fully Decked, and this is a green jelly base with gold holographic glitter and then rainbow holographic glitter mixed in. So this one is a bit sheer on that first coat since it is in a jelly base. I have wanted to make a polish like this for a couple years now. I wanted something that looked like a fully decorated Christmas tree with rainbow lights and everything. This one is a lot of glitter, so this is going to dry very textured. You're going to need top coat, maybe even 2 coats of top coat to smooth this out, and without a peel-off base coat, it is going to take some scrubbing to remove. So the base gets pretty green with this on 2 coats, and you do get a lot of coverage with the glitter. I feel like I can still see my nail line a little bit on the second coat, but I also don't really want to do 3 coats of this because 3 coats of a glitter like this can just get kind of thick, and if I added more glitter to the polish, then the polish itself would be thick. So my solution for this is to apply my third coat normally, or my second coat rather, sorry, apply my second coat normally, and then if I have any extra on my brush, just kind of tap it onto the end of my nails a little bit to cover up that nail line. Now this works for my nails because they're not super long. If you have longer nails, you might need to do that third coat if your nail line sticks out quite a bit, but I do like to try to avoid it with glitters like this. So that is 2 coats of Fully Decked. So I am skipping favorites for this one. I just can't do it. Some days I can and other days I cannot. Today I cannot pick favorites of my own polishes. So that is the 9-0 winter collection for 2018, winter/holiday. Again, I will link the website down below because those are releasing on November 30th at 11 a.m. Eastern time. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you later.